How to fix printer not printing text, lines, and dots properly. Here are some possible reasons why your printer is not printing text, lines, and dots properly. Asterisk ink cartridge problem. Asterisk make sure that the ink cartridges are properly installed and that they are not empty. You can also try cleaning the ink cartridges with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Asterisk print head problem. Asterisk the printer head is the part of the printer that actually prints the text and images. If the printer head is clogged or damaged, it can cause the printing to be distorted. You can try cleaning the printer head with a cleaning cartridge or by following the instructions in the printer's manual. Asterisk printer settings. Asterisk the printer settings can also affect the printing. Make sure that the printer settings are correct for the type of paper you are using. Asterisk printer driver problem. Asterisk the printer driver is the software that allows the printer to communicate with the computer. If the printer driver is outdated or corrupt, it can cause the printing to be distorted. You can try updating the printer driver or reinstalling it. If you have tried all of the above and your printer is still not printing text, lines, and dots properly, you may need to contact the printer manufacturer for assistance. Here are some additional tips to help prevent your printer from printing text, lines, and dots improperly. Asterisk use high quality paper. Asterisk using high quality paper can help to prevent the paper from curling or warping, which can cause the printing to be distorted. Asterisk keep the printer clean. Asterisk dust and dirt can build up on the printer head and rollers, which can cause the printing to be distorted. Asterisk calibrate the printer. Asterisk calibrating the printer can help to ensure that the printer is printing correctly.